Ever submitted an expense report in Expensify only to find it mysteriously missing from your dashboard? It's a frustrating experience, we know. So, let's dive into the common culprits behind this disappearing act and how to rectify them. 1. The pending queue. First things first, check your pending queue. This is Expensify's temporary holding area for reports that haven't been fully processed. There are a few reasons why a report might end up here. Missing information. Ensure you've filled out all required fields, including dates, amounts, and categories. Incorrect formatting. Double-check that your receipts are clear, legible, and properly uploaded. Policy violations. If your expense doesn't align with your company's expense policy, it might be flagged for review. 2. Review and approval process. Once a report leaves the pending queue, it enters the review and approval process. This can involve multiple steps, depending on your company's workflow. Manager review. Your manager might need to review the report for accuracy and compliance. Accounting review. The accounting team might need to verify the expenses against company policies. Final approval. A final approver, often a finance or HR representative, gives the green light for payment. 3. Technical glitches. Sometimes, technical hiccups can cause delays or errors. Here's what you can do. Refresh your browser. A simple refresh can often resolve minor glitches. Clear your cache and cookies. This can help if your browser is storing outdated information. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for smooth Expensify operation. Contact Expensify support. If the problem persists, reach out to Expensify's support team for assistance. Tips to prevent missing transactions. Submit reports timely. The sooner you submit your reports, the faster they can be processed. Double-check your work. Before submitting, review your report for accuracy and completeness. Communicate with your approvers. If you have any questions or concerns, reach out to your approvers. Stay organized. Keep your receipts and other documentation in order. By understanding the common reasons for missing transactions and following these tips, you can streamline your expense reporting process and avoid unnecessary delays. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.